everyone. So I have, as you can see, long hair. I have a lot. I mean, like a lot of hair. Like this is ridiculous amount of hair. My first wig that I bought on Amazon, by the way, was not a lace front. I didn't know the difference between lace front and the other ones, which are the non-lace front and the 360s and all that stuff. And I got this one. It's like whack, you know? Like when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. What am I supposed to wear? Like, where do I blend my hair? So it's pink, has black or dark roots. I could bring out my own hair and then just blend it in. I'm gonna show you how I would wear this wig because I really like this wig. It is so long, so pretty. It looks really nice actually. I put baby powder and stuff on it so it's not so shiny, and I will show you guys how I put all this extra frizz away. I'm gonna use my wig cap, use my little wig, a spray gel, I guess. I get a little bit of my own hair out, not too much, just a little bit. And by no means am I a professional. I just do what works for my hair. Tighten everything that I took out. And I'm gonna look a little crazy, but it's okay. The spray. El spray. So now what we doing? Oh, you should have done this before, Rosemary. I don't know what the fuck you're thinking. So I'm gonna do it as low as possible. Low. The back of my hair. I'm just gonna leave baby hairs out. There I go. Only some. Pretty flat. My hair is too thick, and like I try to look up Kylie Jenner, how she wears them, how Jennifer Lopez wears them, but then I see that they only have like 5 hairs, and I'm like, what the heck? What's up?
How are my queen?
I'm good. How are you? I'm doing my hair.
Are you putting on a wig?
No.
What are you doing with it?
I'm using both of my hands. Nabil, hello? You have bad reception.
Oh, okay.
What?
Did you cook?
No. Continue. No, I'm just kidding. This is not the way. This is not it. This is not how we do things around here. If I didn't have my hair out, which right now looks crazy that I have it out, but if I didn't have it out, I would have this all the way over here. So you can see right here, my hair and this hairline is not matching at all. No, it is not, sir. It isn't. You see how whack it was? I don't show this on Amazon. They don't show it on their website. Blend it in. You gotta play with it. Take your time, find the space, blend your hair in. Just make sure you get it all out, all of it out. I needed to see my hair. You could see this. I always bobby pin the crap out of this every time. Ain't nobody got time to be showing the wig cap. So it looks crazy, this, like I said, because we still need to blend it in. I feel like I did way too much hair. You can always put it back in. So you see how this sticks out? Like I said, you just could throw it back in the back. I usually bobby pin them because I only want like the little baby hairs. Unless I wanted to do something with my hair in the back, then it would be necessary to have the hair out in the back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Love the color, love the blend. So this is my way of fixing a wig when it's not a lace front and you screwed up and you got something that wasn't. Also done a little thing up here, whatever this thing is called, this one, little bun. I've done the little bun, which I think is cute too. Hope you like it. And subscribe, guys. Subscribe.